The problem with many crypto platforms is not just volatility. The real problem is delay. Delay in reading the market, delay in confirming an entry, and delay in reacting when momentum suddenly shifts. And in that kind of environment, even a good idea can arrive late and turn into a weak trade. That is where Zovthurix comes in, presented through its official site, Zovthurix.com. From the first impression, the platform tries to position itself as infrastructure built for automated execution, continuous market monitoring, and fast reaction when price conditions change. The core promise is simple: remove operational friction and turn market signals into action faster. By its own framing, Zovthurix does not want to look like just another interface full of charts and oversized claims. It wants to position itself as a complete system built around three core pillars: AI-driven market intelligence, institutional-grade security, and a very low-latency execution engine. The strongest part of the pitch is the market intelligence layer. On the official Zovthurix site, the message is that price action, momentum shifts, liquidity conditions, and sentiment signals are monitored in real time, with the engine recalibrating as the market evolves. And that speaks directly to a real trading pain point, because modern traders do not suffer from a lack of data. They suffer from too much noise and not enough clarity about what actually matters right now. Zovthurix also tries to speak to different trading styles, not just traders looking for fast intraday movement, but also those building positions over several days. That is why the platform organizes its narrative around three distinct modes: high-speed scalping, intraday momentum capture, and longer horizon position building. The implication is that the engine adjusts to the time frame instead of forcing every trader into the same rigid workflow. Then there's execution, which is treated here as a real competitive edge: sub-millisecond routing, tighter control over slippage, order book monitoring, and the ability to get orders to market before narrow pricing windows disappear. And that logic holds up, because in fast markets, the difference is often not who saw the signal first, but who managed to execute without wasting critical seconds. Another major pillar is security. Zovthurix presents itself as an environment protected by strong encryption, isolated server architecture, layered authentication, cold storage logic, and continuous account integrity controls. The goal is to make the platform feel like more than a trading front end. It wants to feel like an operational system where capital protection and service continuity are built into the foundation. It's also clear that the site is working hard to build trust. Live support around the clock, fast onboarding, references to regulatory alignment, international presence, and repeated user-proof messaging all serve the same purpose. They're meant to make the visitor feel that this is not an improvised landing page, but a structured ecosystem designed to operate at scale. In short, Zovthurix is selling a very specific promise: less noise, more speed, more discipline, and more reaction time when the market moves. A platform built for traders who do not want to miss opportunities because of slow processes, weak execution, or poorly filtered signals. So the real question is not just whether the branding sounds convincing. The real question is whether actual performance can truly match the story Zovthurix.com is telling.